So now you go next. You come across to create the first ad. So you can put in headline 1, get okay, that's 30 out of 30. That's good. I'm just writing to fill up the form, to fill up these fields. What you want to do is to obviously put in a little bit of thought process, make your headlines very attractive and eye-catching so that you get the click, and put in the benefits and the features as well as the call to action, which is call now. And I'll just copy and paste this for the sake of it. And now I can see that my ad preview, it looks like over here, and then if I click on there, it will give me more of these previews, how it's going to look on the computer, on your mobile, Google Maps. That is really good about these ads. If you are a local plumber, dentist, chiropractor, or any other kind of local business, you need to absolutely run with these ads. Put in a little budget and see how it performs. And you will also run on Google partner sites, which are made up of over 2 million high quality websites and mobile apps. Now, once I am happy with this, if you copy and pasted this, well, smart enough to know that it is the same one. Then you put in the landing page where if somebody clicks on the ads where they want to be taken. Go next. Then your phone number, put in the country where you are, and then this phone icon will get your phones ringing.